Hello everybody, welcome back to the RAZER.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the button on your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the RAZER Synapse. Now we're going to go to Devices, and here in the Devices, we're going to go to Customize. On the Viper V4 Pro already, we're going to click Customize. We're going to select the button that we do not want enabled, so that we prevent the misclicks. And for example, if you are always clicking, let's say scroll up or scroll down, but you don't want it, you can simply click here and click disable at the bottom. Now you tap save, and you can do the same for the scroll down. As you guys can see, now both of them are disabled. So let me quickly show it to you guys. Now we're gonna go over and type in the random thing, and as you guys can see, the scroll is not working. But if you got a second mouse connected to your PC, it will work properly. So it is not working here. The scroll click is also working, so we're gonna cannot scroll down. So let me quickly go and disable it too. As you guys can see, it opened up the card for us. So we got the card right here. Now if we click it, there will be no cards like this anymore. And that's basically how you guys can disable a button to prevent some misclicks. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.